Happy Tuesday. Wow. What a few days it's been for crypto. Obviously yesterday we saw Bitcoin push up to an all-time high, smashing above 108,000 and then coming back down, crashing back down to 100,000 to test it as major support now. Trump is officially in. It's not been quite the event everyone was hoping, but I think it's going to take a bit of time. It's not all going to happen one day. He's got a lot of other stuff on his plate as well. So I still think we're going to see he's the first pro-Bitcoin president, and we've got the first pro head of the SEC. I think it will come good in time. He's obviously, his company themselves bought $47 million worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum to celebrate, and I can't see him letting the company who's bought hundreds of millions of dollars worth of crypto suffer. I just think it'll take a little bit more time than everyone thinks. So we did actually kind of predict this going forward, a bit of a sell the news event with him coming in, but it looks like we're going to have a great time anyway. So what's your thoughts of Bitcoin? Are we going to see a dip below 100,000 in the near future, or do you reckon we're going to push on up from here? Any other major alts? Obviously ETH, again, I think is primed and ready for something. We're in quite a few trades now, to be fair, but most of those are risk-free or very, very risk-averse, because anything can happen. Absolutely anything can happen. And I think if you don't have that sort of mindset, just be ready for anything, really. So lots of exciting stuff. What's your thoughts? Leave some comments, follow me. We're going to do some posts got on YouTube as well as TikTok, and obviously detailed updates are on Facebook. So it's George STN on Facebook and Simple Trader Network page as well. So follow those and you'll get more insights, and we'll be looking at some trade ideas as well. Bitcoin yesterday we had an indecisive day, pushed up over 107,000, then down to 100,000 as a test. Mainly the dump was due to obviously the push up was due to everyone having the first pro crypto president and pro crypto head of SEC. Lots of positives, but obviously didn't mention anything to do with crypto, and suddenly everyone starts selling. But there's a lot of new money in the market, a lot of money waiting to come into the market as well. So with Trump coin pushing up to over 70 and then back down to the sort of 30 level. It's a big old profit taking there, but there's a lot of new money in, which probably aren't as seasoned as most pros. So we expect volatility, really. We want retail coming in anyway. So I'd be very surprised if we do get a large correction here. I think we'll probably see us a pump for the next sort of 8 weeks or so. Anything can happen though. Absolutely anything can happen. I think it's better to have that mindset. If you aren't already in alts, I'll be careful aping in here, because if you do get a big correction in Bitcoin, alts will follow. And I think very much alts is leading the way until we get a major rejection from Bitcoin dominance. And I think we are at a quite important level here at 58.60. Let's have a quick look on that actually while we're here. So yeah, as I said, if we can see that rejection here and move down below 57%, I think it could be a great time for alts. But and obviously Bitcoin remaining in that range or pushing up instead. Bitcoin can still increase while Bitcoin dominance is coming down. That would be absolutely ideal. But I think in reality we'll probably see Bitcoin calm down a little bit and just wait for a bit of a bias. But I wouldn't be surprised as soon as we get above 107,000 with a bit of confirmation, we'll go up to 180,000 and potentially higher. I think we're in for a really exciting month or two. What's your thoughts? Where do you think we're going? Give me a prediction in the comments, and if you want any sort of alts I should be looking at as well, just let me know. We are in a load of trades at the minute, and we do trade ideas, as I said, on Facebook, and we're also on YouTube as well. So lots to do, lots going on. Give me comments and give me any stuff you want me to look at as well, and best of luck if you're trading.